Welcome once again guys to the Enoylity Technology, and today we have the FOSOO's Apperance Sonic Electric Toothbrush. The main key feature is that it is clinically proven to remove 10 times more plaque than your average toothbrush. Taking a look on the brush, it really looks premium as we tip it out from the box, and we get more two different brush heads, magnetic charging case, and as usual a user manual. Taking a look on the brush, it really looks very premium. We get the power button on the top and the mode changing button below it. It has 4 different cleaning modes, that is clean, white, gum care and polish mode, each having its 3 different intensities, that is low, medium and high. Here we get 2 different brush heads. One is to remove more plaque and stains, and the another is for extra sensitive teeth and gum. The toothbrush comes with IPX7 rating, so you don't have to worry if you are using the brush while showering. The brush comes with the technology that creates the most less noise. The FOSOO's electric toothbrush is the quietest electric toothbrush as it creates noise which is lower than 50 decibels. Apart from this, the electric toothbrush comes with 2500 mAh of battery, which gives you a runtime of 180 days on a single charge. Here we have the white color in our hands, but you can get it in more 2 different colors, that is one blue and pink. So taking an overall look on the key features, we get 4 different cleaning modes, that is clean, white, gum care, polish modes, each with 3 different intensities, a 2500 mAh of battery which gives 180 days of runtime, and a magnetic wireless charging. If you are looking out a premium electric toothbrush in a very budget price, I will definitely recommend you this. So this was all about the FOSOO's Apperance electric toothbrush. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.